Juliet Nachuwara orukorana n'ekitongole kya United Nations High Commission for Refugees ekitongole ekirukora hanshonga z'empunjo munsi yona nagira ngu bwanyuma y'ebitongole mpabuhwezo kucendeeza obuhwezi empunji nyingi zikateganisibwa abire nagambira ha mukoro ogwo kuhinguza empunji 54 abatendekirwe emyogo etari emwe n'emwe na n'ekigendererwa cyo kubegesa okwebisaho.
You know, in Rwamwanja 60% we are all food.
Tunaiwa Mrwamwanja 60% hakuna kupokea chakula.
And by next year we might be 80%.
Na mwaka kesho tunaweza kuwa 80%.
Until when we go off completely.
Paka sie wote tunatoka kuchakula kumpokero.
So the only alternative we have
kenye tuko nakyo tu kya kutusaidia
is self-sustainability.
Ni kujikumbuka we peko na shigombana nako.
Omu batendekirwe harumwe abakazi kandi aba batendekirwe ngo bakabone byo kubakora bize barwo mu kushwerwa abakiri bato.
Those young children,
wale watoto wachache wachanga,
they are definitely going to be educated.
Nao watapata elimu.
It is one of the family planning.
Yote itaendeka kusika na mipangilio ya familia.
So ndi kushima ubu government ya Museveni na OPM kandi na URDT ya shize musinta bafatana na UNHCR bakatwigisha tukamenya nkuko twabikorera sente n'ubwo umupokero gwaba gutari.
This project is ending in September.
Hii projet iko namalizika mwezi ya kenda
of this year
ya hii mwaka,
but before it ended,
lakini mbele ishe,
Mastercard Foundation has already extended the project for 5 years.
Lakini haitaisha tena juu Mastercard Foundation imeendelesha tena miaka ingine 5.
Abatendekirwe bashabirwa kukoresa obahango begesibwe okuretaho impinduka omuru rwa Mwanja refugee settlement.
Na musiache pale kusoma.
Remember that
ukumbuke
the skills you have acquired are not only for your personal benefit,
ukumbuke ngizi ujuzi umepata haiko juu yako we peke,
but also for the benefit of your families,
lakini ni juu ya profit ya familia yako na community
and the country at large,
na ishi yote.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Thomas Tumwebazi.